Today I challenged a friend of mine to a cook-off, so I went over to the mall to get a few stuffs.
So I give you my all, I give you my praise. The fish and the sand, gospel vibe from the coast. Real. Started with many, my most are gone. This life is a journey with pain and joy. You gotta go river the sunshine. Be grateful for life and today.
I'm cooking. I don't even know whether to say tomato stew or gizzard sauce. I'm just cooking, so you guys should enjoy it. Try it at home.
This grace been in life for the long ride. He make it a shine off the rain. No be say man be perfect. Just say Papa God always be real. This grace and mercy shade in my heart. Through the ups and down we take the wheel. So I give you my all, I give you my praise. No be my tool by grace. Sick of you where you're there, so. And I give you my all, I give you my praise. No be my tool by grace. Sick of you where you're there, oh. I give you my all, I give you my praise. No be my tool by grace. Sick of you where you're there, so. Daddy, they even in the weekends. Rest to the sun in the morning with any breath. Tapping out you there with any strength. And give you what you have, cause I never get what you get. Gratitude and what you have into enough. You don't know how long you last. Tomorrow, never know what tomorrow got for us. Appreciate the feel and show some love. Keep on clapping till we reach my turn. Through the stormy, but we still go stand. Pushing the brother, we gon' need the real hands. The real good ones, the real ones. How she pushing that feather, put me under your umbrella in case it go rainy. Some go, the rain come down, the sun go shine. So making the hay. So I give you my all, I give you my praise. No be my tool by grace. Sick of you where you're there, so. And I give you my all, I give you my praise. No be my tool by grace. Sick of you where you're